Hello guys, in this video, I will show how to transfer eFootball from mobile account to PC. All you need to do is open the game and head over to the Extras section. Inside Extras, go to Support, and there you'll find the option for link data. Select it, and you'll be given two choices. Link using your Google Play account, or link using a Konami ID. Since Google Play doesn't work on PC or laptop, the recommended method is to use a Konami account. If you don't already have one, simply register on the Konami website. Once registered, go back and choose the link with Konami ID option. After linking your Konami account with your mobile save data, you're good to go. Now you can close the mobile game, open Steam, and install the PC version. The download is quite large, around 53 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough space. After installation, just log in with the same Konami account, and your progress will be connected seamlessly between mobile and PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.